consuming organic animal products, dairy and milk, actually that food has a different nutrient profile. One of the most exciting areas of research that is really coming out lately are the measurable specific advantages to consuming organic food. Specifically, we see that consuming organic animal products, dairy and milk, actually that food has a different nutrient profile. Because organic foods, when we talk about animals, cows must be on pasture or at least fed 30% of their diet from grasses, clovers, alfalfas, and that translates into specific nutritional advantages to the milk. We see that organic milk tends to have more omega-3 fat, which is that heart-healthy fat. It tends to be lower in artery clogging saturated fat. There's more vitamin E and beta-carotenes because animals are what they eat. And when cows get to graze on that grass organically, it translates in their meat or in their milk to a better nutrient profile. The other piece, when we look at produce, fruits and vegetables, it's what's not in them. It is pesticides, it is fertilizers, it is things that are used on the farm, that residues that can stay and linger. And there have been numerous studies coming out in the past couple of years looking at pesticide residue in urine with prevalence of ADHD, autism. So there's some intriguing questions that have been raised, and I think the jury is still out, but the evidence is starting to suggest that the more you can minimize pesticides in your diet, the safer for you and especially your children.